everyone, today is September 27, 2019, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And in this video, I'm getting a new modification installed on my Subaru BRZ, and I'm really excited about this mod. So I'm going to start this video off with an unboxing because it just came in the mail today, and tomorrow morning, I'll be getting it installed. This modification is going to make my BRZ look so aggressive, and I can't wait to get it on my car. Alright guys, so I just got this box in the mail today from FT86 Speed Factory, and let's get this open. Alright, as you can see, these are new headlights for the BRZ. As you can see, it has the OLM or the Vland sequential headlights, and these look awesome. And I would install these today, but it's completely dark outside, so I'm going to wait for the morning. Here's a look at one of the headlights here. It is beautiful, look at that. And these look very similar to the stock BRZ headlights, but the difference is it has a sequential lighting right here on the side, if you can see that, and the boomerang, instead of it stopping about right here, it goes all the way down, which makes it look more aggressive. And with the Vland headlights, these look aggressive, but when you buy these stock, I've heard from friends that these are not bright whatsoever, but because I got these from FT86 Speed Factory, these are actually 5000K HIDs.
The next day,
Hey everyone, so it is the next day right now, and I'm at my buddy Ivan's house, and he actually gave me my current headlights I have on my car, which he's taking off, and I'm getting new headlights on my BRZ today. So the ones I had before, these are the FRS ones, blacked out housing with halos and the demon eyes on here. I had these for almost a year now, and they do look good, but I'm going back to a more OEM style, and these look great. They have the boomerang on there that goes all the way down. The sequential lighting right here, which looks good, and it has the blacked out housing in the back as well, which looks good. It has an OEM feel, but these do look great, and I think the lighting will be good on here as well. Alright, let's see how these look here. Wow, these look awesome. See, the boomerang goes all the way down, doesn't stop here, and the housing's black, and this turn signal here is sequential. That's awesome. Look at that. And especially with a dark car too, it makes it look really aggressive. And obviously the bumper's off now. Ivan's gonna help me with the other side too, take those off, and we'll do a full walk around of my car once we have both of them on. The bumper's back on the car, both headlights are on, and he's taking off the plug-ins for the demon eyes and the halos. And I'll also do a walk around of the car when it's completely dark outside, see how the lighting is, and see how these boomerangs look as well. And I also have no front lip on my car still. By the time I hit that tire and it ripped off my whole front lip. And I'll be getting one probably within the next couple of weeks, there's no rush. But I'm thinking about getting my gritty lip again. And I'll put a picture of how it looks like on my car right now. It was the most aggressive front lip I have on my BRZ. And I'll be putting that on the car in the next week or two. Here are my old headlights on the car, my FRS ones that are blacked out with demon eyes and the halos. These demon eyes and the halos here. I have the Vland headlights on my BRZ right now, and it looks so aggressive. And I'm gonna back the car out, show you guys what this looks like, and it looks so good because my car is dark. And having a dark car with the contrast of this bulb here, it's clear but it's also white. It looks so good. Alright guys, we just finished the lights on my BRZ. The headlights look so good right now, and I'm happy I swapped them out. So I have the boomerangs on, and it does look weird. I have no front lip, just ignore that, just look at the lights. Look at that, the Boomerang looks so aggressive, and it's all blacked out in the back, and it has the sequential headlights there, look awesome. It transforms the whole front end, makes the car look so aggressive. Back up a little bit here. That looks awesome. And having these headlights, it's gonna give me more road presence too. And we'll turn on the hazards and we'll do each signal. I turn the hazards on. And look at that sequential lighting for the headlights. Looks so good. And maybe I'll put halos and demon eyes on these as well. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with this, just with the Boomerang and with the sequential lighting. And with these, it doesn't have the LEDs, it has HIDs with 5,000 Kelvin. So we'll turn those on. Obviously it is bright outside, so we really can't see it, but we'll see how bright it is when it gets dark as well. All right, turn the lights on here. So I have the headlights on now, and it's hard to see, but it should be bright enough. Because with the stock BRZ headlights, they have LEDs and it has the better projectors on them. These are just the HIDs with 5,000 Kelvin. It should be bright because most stock cars have about 4,300 Kelvin, like I said in the beginning of this video. These have 5,000 and it shouldn't be an issue. And let's see here. And the ones I had before, and these headlights I had before, these FRS ones with the demon eyes and the halos, had about 5,000 as well, so it shouldn't be too much of a difference. Alright guys, so my new headlights are installed on my BRZ and it looks so good. I'm happy I swapped out my FRS ones, and I did enjoy those. I had the halos and the demon eyes on them, and they had the blacked out housing and it looked great. But I did miss my stock BRZ headlights, and these are very similar, just a little more aggressive. Like I said before, one thing that people don't like about these Vland headlights, when you buy these from eBay, they're very, very dim, but since I got these from FT86 Speed Factory, the 5,000 Kelvin should be perfectly fine. And as you guys can see, it is getting dark out right now. And once I get to my house, I'll test out the headlights and see how bright they are. I'm gonna compare them to my previous ones, and hopefully having 5,000 K will be fine for daily driving. All right, so it's completely dark outside right now. And as you can see, the light output with these headlights is really good. So these are just the headlights and these are the brights, and this is 5,000 K, and these are as good as my previous headlights. So these headlights look awesome and the light output is great. And so when I get home, I'll do a quick walk around, show you guys what these headlights look like in the dark. Alright guys, now it's pitch black outside. We're gonna take a look at these lights here in the dark. And here's just the Boomerangs by themselves, and these Boomerangs are bright. These are a lot brighter than the stock ones. Look at that. And it's so dark you can't even see the car, you just see the lights right there. See if I can focus. There you go. And there is the Boomerang with the sequential lighting right there, and that looks so good. And now we'll turn on the headlights, and these are 5,000 Kelvin, and we'll see how these light up the road. Alright, so here's with the headlights on, and as you can see, it is lighting everything up. And this is really good for this 5,000 Kelvin and for these headlights. So I have no doubt I'm not going to have any trouble with these new headlights because it lights up the road perfectly fine. And so this is with the headlights, and here's the brights. Wow, these headlights are actually really good. These light up the road better than my previous ones, which is great. They look better and they light up the road even better. Alright guys, I pulled the car in the garage and these lights look awesome. I couldn't be any happier with how these turned out. And these are definitely an upgrade from my previous headlights. And don't get me wrong, I like the FRS headlights. The demon eyes and the halos were great. But I miss this Boomerang. It makes the front end of my car look so aggressive. And now that I have the sequential turn signals, it makes the headlights even better. Alright guys, we just got back from installing my new headlights on my BRZ, and I really think they look awesome, and I couldn't be any happier with them. And I'm going to end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new Vland headlights. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.